Hi guys, Debbie here. This is part 2 of the alcohol ink video we've done, which is this one with the blue alcohol ink and the silver holographic foil. So now it's time to put the card together. So what I've done in advance, I've cut out a heart, a triangle to go on there, which is 5 by 5. That's 5 by 5. That's 5 by 5 cut in half. And what I'm going to do is emboss this. So I need to put that on there. So like that. And there. Stamp. Stamp. Okay. Oh dear me. That should be nice and dry now. So there's your heart. I'll show you what I plan on doing in a minute. Get this on here first. So I'm just going to quickly give that a blast to make sure. I don't want to be getting dirty finger marks along it. Right.
In the morning light, where dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right.
Right, now what I want to do is line that up, but what I'm going to do is put it in here. Now choose which side you want to show more. Mine has got more of the foil on that side. So I'm going to want to go in. Oops. I'm going to line it up. Along the top and push down. Okay, so that's that bit. Take it off there. Okay, so we've got that. Now this is a coloured and fussy cut earlier. I'm not the best at fussy cutting, so it's not brilliant, but I haven't got the die for it. So I'm going to put him there, so he's coming off both. Oops. So we need some sticky foam under him, his bum. Just a little slither. It's probably too wide. Okay. Then we need a glue. And the rest of him. Take the sticky back off. And just gently place him down where you want him to be. Okay. Put that to one side a sec. Now we just got to make a quick card base.
In the morning light, where dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right. Every day's a canvas, painted with our smiles. Walking through this life, we'll go the extra miles. From the sunrise glow to the starlit.
And then just make sure it all fits in nicely. It does. Put your glue on the back. And just remember, guys, it's flimsy because it's not card, it's your U4 paper. So try not to rough it about and bend it as much as you normally would be able to. Okay, hold it in place. I'll glue away. And just as a finishing touch, I want to put some glossy accents on his balloon. I don't mind terrible fussy cutting. Let's see if we've got any gems that'll look nice with him. There's blue ones. All this silver. Zoom me in a sec, guys, and see what you think. There. What do you reckon? I reckon the blue, to bring the blue onto the white. Let me know in the comments what you think. But I'm going to go with that for now. So, grab our sticker tool. One, two, don't want lots, just a couple. One, two, three. I reckon. Don't want too many. Put it to one side. Right, so now one there. One there. Oops. And one there. Okay, guys. What do you reckon? There's another one completed with alcohol inks, foil, stamping, and we're good. One last little touch I'm going to quickly add to our little bear is Black jelly roll. Make sure it's coming through. Black glazed pen, and I'm going to quickly glaze his eyes, glaze his nose. And we're done. Okay, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. If you'd like to see more of the alcohol backgrounds, let me know. I'll be happy to do some more and experiment further. Till then, thanks for watching. Please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Means the world. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.
In the morning light, where dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right. Every day's a canvas, painted with our smiles. Walking through this life, we'll go the extra miles. From the sunrise glow to the starlit night.